Hi everyone, and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into Avontus Designer and we're going to show you the step-by-step process of doubling up your plan bracing for each level. Let's get started. Right, to double up your plan bracing so it's above and below the node point, like this. This can be simply done by following these steps. Right, I'm going to drag on a new bay, and then I'm going to drag on a second bay as well. For the first bay, I'm going to put the plan brace in as normal, just by checking this button. And as for this one, I'm going to do the exact same. Now for this second bay, I'm going to turn off the planks. I'm going to go into bay details. I'm going to turn off all sides, skip, and skip all verticals. Click apply. Now I'm just left with the plan brace on its own. What I need to do now is change it so it goes from this point to this point. While the bay is still selected, I'm going to click in more, and then I'm going to go to plan brace direction, move it from forward to backwards. Click apply, and now as you can see it's moved in the direction I want it. The next issue I have, it's on the same height as the one previously created. So I need it above the node for this one, for this bar here. So what I need to do then is click in again so it's highlighted, and then I need to go into bay details, into general, and then ground elevation. I'm going to change this from 3.6 to 4.6. Click apply, close that down. Now I'm going to move it into position so it goes green, into my model view, and as you can see I have now got one above and below the node point exactly as I need it. I hope this helps. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe for more to come, and if you'd like to know more about this process, reach out to our support team today. Thanks for watching.